Hi everyone, I'm Lexi and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the vertical pinch trick, and that looks like this. For this trick, how you're going to get started is putting your hand in between the points like this. Then you're going to give it some momentum going back and forth. And then when you release it, you're going to spin it up, and then you are going to catch it right on this stretchy fabric right here. Some tricks to actually get it to stick, because this does take a lot of practice to get it in the right spot, because there's a lot of stitching that you can possibly snag it on and then it'll just fall. How I did it is to remember to catch it at 3 o'clock every single time. So you're going to be catching it over on the right side at 3 o'clock. I can show you from behind. And there you go. Another pointer too is when you're first starting out and practicing, dip your hands in a little bit of water so that it actually sticks to the fabric, and then you can get a feel for how you're supposed to be pinching it. So when I pinch it, I am using like these 3 fingers and I'm just grabbing the fabric really fast. So you're literally pinching it like that. And that is how you do the vertical pinch trick. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, you know I go hard flowing with my Flowstar.